The rich people actually make money because they follow the rules of money accurately. If you want to get rich, then you will have to follow these rules accordingly. In this video, we will be telling you the 12 rules of money that will make you rich quickly. Now let's start. 1. Working diligently and intelligently. Building money and maintaining debt-free status often requires significant effort. Lottery winners often have high expectations that their financial woes will be miraculously resolved. However, the only way to really achieve financial independence is to consistently put in long hours at work and earn a high wage, all the while furthering your education to make yourself more valuable to employers. Not everyone has to have these qualities. However, awareness of these gaps may lead to adjustments that better nurture existing relationships and facilitate the development of new ones. 2. Investing money. One of the most important things you can do to become wealthy is to invest your money. Almost all multimillionaires and billionaires have avoided keeping their money in a bank because they fear it would deteriorate over time. Investments are a simple way to generate profit. Although there is always the chance of loss when investing, huge returns are possible with proper risk management. You could decide to sell a stock that you saw being sold at $50 if it drops to $39, for instance. Planning to cash out once it reaches $70 is another option. In this manner, you may estimate not only your potential loss but also your potential gain. You should at least determine your stop-loss level before deciding on a profit target. You may invest your money in a number of safe ways. If you're looking for a risk-free investment, gold is a great option. Your wealth might potentially treble if you invested it in gold and waited 20 years. If you want to know the best investment options, then do subscribe our channel as we will upload a video on that topic shortly. Also press the like button. 3. Establishing recurring revenue streams. It is recommended to spread your wealth around. Your money should be spread out across many different streams. You are just setting yourself up for financial disaster if you depend entirely on your day job income. If you were to lose your employment for whatever reason, you would immediately find yourself in dire straits. You need to become good at doing simple passive tasks. Some simple ways to earn money without doing any work at all include installing vending machines, renting out extra space, selling advertising space on your vehicle, and pet sitting/walking. When you get off work, you may try your hand at the restaurant industry. Freelancing, drop shipping, and blogging may all help you bring in a healthy income, as can starting your own online business. After putting in some effort, you won't have to go into the office ever again. 4. Dedicated to achieving their objectives. There's no denying the value of having objectives and making progress toward them. Not having a destination in mind might make the journey arduous. If you want to improve your personal finances, setting financial objectives and staying motivated to achieve those goals may be quite helpful. Without a plan for how to get where they want to be financially, those who lack objectives will never get there. 5. Intrigue. An insatiable need for knowledge is a powerful tool for growth and development. Curiosity is a key motivator for critical processes like wanting to learn more, making the time to study, and then applying what one has learned. 6. Gaining cleverness. We can't always depend on the economy or our paychecks being what we anticipate them to be. Unanticipated events are a major disruptor to well-laid budgets. When this occurs, it's time to make some adjustments to accommodate the new norm. Getting there will need some out-of-the-box thinking. Using your imagination, you can extend the life of a resource rather than spending money to replace it. Instead of using a credit card, you'll need to budget your funds carefully to avoid falling into debt. When funds are limited, it implies opting for a less expensive option. 7. Some time for reflection. It is critical to have the capacity to reflect on previous financial decisions and think about how they played out. You are going to get some things financially wrong at some point. It is recognized everywhere in the world. The challenge is to determine what went wrong and then decide if you will quit doing it or analyze why you continue to do it. 8. keeping one's cool. It takes self-control to continue setting aside money each month with the goal of achieving long-term goals. Your own personal money management is not a quick remedy for any existing financial issues. Rather, it is the careful application of your life objectives. 9. Structure. You will discover that you have more energy and time to dedicate to other activities if you take the effort to organize your personal finances. The art of time management consists of getting more done in the allotted amount of time, avoiding financial penalties for being late, and reducing the need to obtain more supplies as much as possible. All of them are highly beneficial, particularly in terms of money. 10. The pleasure. When you have reached a state of satisfaction, there is no longer a need to waste money on frivolous things. The goal of marketing campaigns is to persuade consumers that the promoted product or service can provide a solution to a problem that they are now experiencing. People are motivated to spend money by the excitement that is shown in advertising because they want to experience the same level of excitement for themselves. When you are happy with what you have and where you are in life, rather than trying to live up to the lives you see on television, you will have a lot greater financial security. 11. Exhibit a patient disposition. Patience is a quality that must be developed if one wants to reduce financial outlays. This includes delaying the purchase of a brand new item until after the initial excitement has faded down, keeping the same vehicle for a few more years than is really required, and putting money aside for a purchase rather than making use of credit until the item is within reach. Patience is the single most important quality that may make the difference between having finances available and falling into debt. To ensure a stable financial future, it is vital to practice patience and wait for a favorable offer. 12. Taking chances. To amass wealth, one has to possess a certain amount of bravery. We do not intend for you to incur risks without enough information. This requires serious deliberation of the situation as well as the ability to take trade judiciously when the circumstances warrant it. If you invest in the stock market with caution, you expose yourself to some risk, but over the long run, the stock market has traditionally offered excellent returns on money invested. Those who try to minimize their exposure to risk run the risk of having their savings devalued over time as a result of inflation. That's all for this video. Now you are aware of all the perfect rules of money. These rules will make you a millionaire for sure. Your task is very simple, that is, following these. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn. These rules are actually followed by millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett and other multi-millionaires. Comment below if you are left with any queries. If you want to watch more amazing videos on finances, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Thanks for watching.